Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enter check bouncing entries in Tally Prime. Regarding this, today we will discuss. Okay. So what is the reason for check bounce? Because of insufficient balance in issuer's account. So this is the major reason for check bouncing. Okay, go through the notes. We will discuss one by one. What is a bounced check? A situation of check bounce is basically a term used to define the unsuccessful processing of a dispensed check due to several reasons. Non-sufficient funds in the issuer's account is one of the primary reasons for a bounced check. The banks return or dishonor the checks, also known as rubber checks, in addition to imposing a particular charge, that is called check bouncing charges or bank charges. Further, the passing of bad checks can be illegal, and this crime can be aggravated depending on the amount and whether this action involves crossing state boundaries. Okay, friends? What follows when a check bounces? It is important to know that bank fee is only a single aspect in case of check bounce. In several cases, the beneficiary or payee also measure a charge. For example, if in a situation a person writes a check to the electronic store and the check bounces, then the store may reserve the right to redeposit that check along with a bounced check fee. Further, negative reports which financial bureaus can make it difficult for consumers to open savings and current accounts in the future. Reasons for check bounce. There are 6 reasons for check bounce. First one, insufficient fund. This is the major reason. If your account lacks funds from which the check is used, then there is a high chances for the check resulting to bounce. Also, if you have issued or have received a check connected to an account which holds less money than the amount written on the check, then the bank would not be able to process the full amount and hence will curb the payment and dishonor the check. Second reason, insufficient funds. Date mentioned on checks. Second reason is date mentioned on checks. The date is a vital part of the check, and sort of difference or problems with the date would end in your check being bounced. Most people consider it as a small factor but can cause serious issues with your check not getting processed. The typical problem which is an issuer can face regarding the check date mainly include disfigured or scribbled numbers. Also, in case the date has expired on the check, then it surely gets dishonored. In other words, if the date on the check is 3 months old from the present date, then the bank can bounce the check. Okay. So date mentioned. Date is very important. Suppose you are depositing check into the bank before the check date, it will not honor. It will bounce. So because of when we depositing the check, we need to check the check date on check leaf. Next, third reason, signature mismatch. This is very important. It is a common reason for check bounce that is experienced by many people across India. If the signature is mismatched or does not actually match with the bank's records, then the issue check will be tagged as a bounced check. It is important to regard the signature as a prominent aspect while writing a check. Also, if the issuer by chance signs on the MICR be and present on the check, then in this situation the bank would once again disrepute the check. So signature mismatch. So when you are opening account, bank people will take three specimen signature from account holder. So they will match that specimen signature to signature on the check. If it is matched, they will honor, otherwise they will dishonor or bounce. So fourth reason, difference in amount mentioned in numbers and words. Suppose your check highlights a difference in the amount payable written in words and in numbers, then the concerned bank will bounce that check. Further, if the amount mentioned in the words section consists any numeric value, the amount in figures or numbers column includes any alphabet, then it can directly cause the check to bounce. Difference in amount mentioned in numbers and words. Suppose you are mentioned one amount in figures, you are mentioned one amount in words, so then it will mismatch, so then it will be bounced or dishonor. This is the fourth reason for check bounce. Next one, fifth one, damaged check. Whenever you handle a check, make sure that it is not damaged or disfigured. Why? The various banks across India do not entertain disfigured checks on which the details are not clearly visible. Moreover, if your check has too many stains or marks, then that check will bounce. Damaged check. Suppose it is torn or scribbling. So in this case, bank people will not honor this check. So last reason, overwriting on check. Any type of scribbling, corrections or overwriting on a check is not acceptable. That means, suppose you are making any correction on the check, then bank will not accept that check. So this is the one reason for check bouncing. Such a check would be dishonored. Immediately it is always safe to issue a fresh check. If any mistake occurs while filing the previous check, also do not receive check with mistakes. Always demand a newly written check. Okay friends, now you got it. What is the meaning of check bounce and what are the reasons for check bounce? Okay friends, in my next video, how to enter check bouncing entries in Tally Prime practically. So practically I will show how to enter regarding this subject. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.